Hey everybody, Xizon 101 here, and today we're going to continue on with our health bars. We're going to put one on top of our snow golem and edit the one that we have on our samurai test. I've already placed the one on our snow golem, so we don't have to put one there. You can just copy and paste or duplicate the one inside your samurai test and then just put it in the hierarchy. Drop down the hierarchy like so. Let's open up our ply blocks on the pet snow golem. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our on HP change and our on update. We've done something similar to this with our samurai, but for some reason I had some weird activity, but I'll explain more why. So what we're going to do here is we have our random in range for our attacks. We don't need to worry about that because we already know what that is. We've done the tutorial for it. But our health bar timeout, which is something we used when we were creating our NPC monster at first, yes. We're going to use it again. So add that to your pet snow golem if you haven't already. It is a integer. Well, I guess that one could be an integer or a float, didn't really matter. Now in your on update, you're going to want to run after health bar timeout in self reaches 0, 0. And then it's going to disable the canvas. So the canvas is in self. Now in on HP change, we're going to want to enable the canvas that's in self. So that's why it's disabled here. We want to grab the set property block. I believe it is in common set property value right here. We're going to type in image.fillamount. Capitalization and stuff like that makes a really big difference. You don't do that and you wonder why it doesn't work. That's why. So capital I dot lowercase f, no space, capital A for amount. If you need to, full screen the video and use the HD setting. Anyway, now we're going to do some minor math here like we did before. It's just dividing our health consumable value with the health value to kind of have the health bar go down in a decent fashion so it looks, like a normal video game health bar instead of taking out huge chunks and having a lot of chunks. And then of course we need to set our health bar timeout to 15 seconds. Once that happens, everything is good to go. Well, no, not everything. Now to get to that little solution problem that I was having. For some reason, if you were using the find child or whatever to find the health bar, in some cases it was accidentally finding the health bar elsewhere. My headphones just beeped, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. Anyway, make sure that you always drag in a new version of the health bar game object right here that corresponds with the item. So our pet snow golem's health object is now saved right here. We want to apply. We can remove this, and then we can just jump to doing our samurai again. I don't know if my headphones are dying or something, but the beeping is really annoying. So let's just drop down this canvas. Alright, cool. With this canvas, we want to just pretty much do exactly what we did with the pet. So in our on update, make sure that's doing that, and in our on HP change, everything's the same. Only difference is we want to, in our samurai test, grab the health bar and make sure that that game object is changed, else you will have some weird functionality where if you attack the snow golem and then the snow golem attacks the monster, but the health of the snow golem's changing between the both of them because there was some confusion with the linked object here. So yeah, doing it in the on HP change, you should be able to use the find canvas health bar slash and then using the child and then getting a health bar because of where it is in on HP change. But if you were to cast the set fill amount elsewhere, you would you would have a lot of problems. So just do it in the on HP change and you won't have any problems in the end. So let's give that a quick testaroo and show you that the two NPCs can fight each other while their health bars are their own. Okay, this beeping's killing me. I'm gonna, I guess, plug this in. Alright, now we're just going to quickly do this. As you can see, there we go. They're fighting. He's gonna die, but then it's gonna set my pet to 0. So then I can summon a new pet right away because I don't add a cooldown. So now he's dead. Buddy comes to help me out some more, and voila! As you can see, everything's working. After the end of the 15 seconds, that goes away like normal.